Me and my nigga in the BMW, you would freeze up if we was in front of you. Catch me in traffic, you know I got a gun or two. Niggas be fake, I can name a couple of you. Nigga know you don't want trouble, dude. So many bitch niggas.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we got a pretty normal YouTube video. Today we're taking off the Paisa 22s off of the 4-door cat eye, porque pues we can't be having them 22s on there, you know. We gotta start thinking towards the future. And so, as you guys might have guessed, I'm gonna drop it later on. And since I'm gonna drop it, that means that I can't, I can't run those meaty ass tires. And just the 22s, they don't look clean. Like, to be honest, they look alright. Don't get me wrong. Like, I love the stance of like how it looks like that, but just it doesn't give off a clean vibe, a clean look. So we're gonna get some cookies, some 17-inch cookies. My boy Justin, well, I'm gonna go visit him, and his YouTube video is gonna be, his YouTube channel is gonna be right here too, in the what's it called, right here in this little area. And so yeah, hopefully, I know they're not gonna look amazing, to be honest. It's just cookies, they're just, you know, normal stock. Pero we're gonna be able to drop the truck now. Like, now we're gonna be able to drop it. And that's something that I'm looking forward to, like a big time, you know, just to be able to drop it and have that clearance. That'll be dope. And so yeah, once I get there, I'll like show you guys what they are and maybe slap them on and see how they look. All right, see you guys, take care. We just pulled up on Justin and we're gonna go pick up the cookies. And yeah, hopefully I'm gonna get home, put them on, you know, go cruising with them. They're gonna be hella lighter. I'm excited for that. Truck won't be so sluggish now. Ahora sí va a quemar la güey. And so yeah, big shout out to Justin. We got a good deal on them. I think we did pretty good, to be honest. If you ask me, I think we did pretty good. What's up, you guys? We're at the tire shop right now. We're getting the tires, the wheels replaced. Yes, sir. We're gonna
Me and my nigga in the BMW, you would freeze up if we was in front of you. Catch me in traffic, you know I got a gun or two. Niggas be fake, I can name a couple of you. Nigga know you don't want trouble, dude. So many bitch niggas, I can even number you. Send my shooter outside so he can smother you. All of my niggas grew up in the trouble youth. Little nigga, what you know about drug abuse? Ever seen a nigga get shot right in front of you? And it feel good to come up from the struggle too. Gotta stop doing shit before my little brother do. That's real shit, no cap. In my rap, I ain't no thug, I ain't never wanna be that. Stress kicking in and I think I might relapse. Never give a fuck what they said, can you see that? Hating on a young nigga, I ain't even do shit. Say you was trying but you couldn't even prove it. I grew up around niggas who ruthless. Face come around, little nigga, I'm clueless. Tryna get about the hood, let's do this. I told my young nigga stop being stupid. Wise up, nigga, any day you can lose this. Think about what the fuck you be doing. I numb the pain when I take the drugs. I smoke a zit when I fucking re-up. Nigga, I usually be smoking it dust. I need a ticket or it's gonna be up. Always gonna keep up those streets in my blood. Run up on me, you get shot in your nuts. I feel the presence when I'm looking up. My nigga, we did it, got it out the mud.
So we just got the tires, we just got the cookies on there. I think it looks pretty alright. I mean, I'm kind of gonna miss the Paisa 22s, no cap though. Like, them suckers weren't even that ugly, to be honest with you. It's just I needed to drop the truck, and this is what I need to do to drop it. So I'm gonna give y'all a little cinematic video of how it looks, and yeah, stay tuned.
The chosen one, you better say I'm mental. In my mental, can't get rid of all my demons. I get drugs and get fucked up. That's how I make a bitch shut up.